Hello everyone, welcome to the Dassa YouTube channel. I have already brought many valuable videos for you about the technology in the developing world of technology. If you have not watched the video yet, go to our channel now and watch it. Also today we have brought a valuable video. I invite you all to stay until the end. That is, subscribe to our channel now and like the video. Without further ado, let's go to today's video. Are you curious about coding but unsure where to start? You're not alone. Many people find the idea of learning to code exciting yet intimidating. However, coding doesn't have to be daunting. With the right guidance and beginner-friendly projects, anyone can take their first steps into this creative and rewarding world. In this video, we'll introduce you to coding with easy projects that you can follow along with, using beginner-friendly languages like Python, HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. By the end, you'll have a solid foundation and the confidence to keep learning. Why learn to code? Coding has become an essential skill in today's digital age. Whether you want to build websites, develop apps, or simply understand how technology works, coding is the gateway. Plus, it's a fantastic way to boost problem-solving skills and creativity. And the best part? You don't need a computer science degree to get started. All you need is a willingness to learn and a bit of time to practice. Getting started. What you need. To begin coding, all you need is a computer and an internet connection. Many tools and platforms are free, so you can jump right in without spending a dime. Some excellent free resources include online code editors like Replit and CodePen, which let you write and run code directly in your browser. Downloading a code editor like VS Code is another great option for writing and organizing your projects. Language options for beginners. When starting out, it's best to choose a programming language that's beginner-friendly and widely used. Here are 3 great options. Python. Known for its simplicity and readability, Python is perfect for beginners. It's used in everything from web development to data analysis. You can start by creating simple programs like a calculator or a guessing game. HTML/CSS. These languages are essential for building websites. HTML is used to structure content while CSS styles it. Together, they let you create everything from personal blogs to professional-looking portfolios. JavaScript. If you want to make websites interactive, JavaScript is the way to go. It's a versatile language used for everything from dynamic menus to simple games. Beginner-friendly projects to try here are a few simple projects that will help you get hands-on experience with coding. Build a personal website. Start with HTML to create the structure of your site. Add headings, paragraphs, and images. Use CSS to style your website with colors, fonts, and layouts. Once you're comfortable, you can add JavaScript to create interactive elements like a contact form or a photo gallery. Create a simple Python game. Use Python to code a text-based game, like a number guessing game or a rock-paper-scissors match. This project will teach you about variables, loops, and conditional statements. Interactive to-do list. Use HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to build a simple app where users can add and delete tasks. This project will teach you how to manipulate the DOM, document object model, and store data temporarily. Tips for success. Start small. Focus on one language or project at a time to avoid feeling overwhelmed. Practice regularly. The more you code, the more comfortable you'll become. Join a community. Platforms like GitHub, Reddit, and Discord have active communities where you can ask questions and share your progress. Ready to begin? Learning to code is a journey, but every expert coder started with their first line of code. In this series, we'll walk you through the basics, step by step with hands-on tutorials. By following along, you'll not only learn how to code, but also build projects you can be proud of. Let's get started. The world of coding is waiting for you. So, what do you think about today's video? If you liked it, be sure to like it and comment below with your thoughts. Also, if you haven't subscribed to our channel yet, press the subscribe button below now and share it with your friends. That's it. I'll see you in a new video. Have a good day, everyone.